Today I'm unboxing Revive Phoenix. It comes with 10 friction. Let's check out the back. Revive Phoenix 10 friction. Now let's get to opening already. The owner of this bay is his name Phi. There's so much tape on this. Hold on. Alright, so I already cut the tape out. Time to unbox this. Here's the sticker and the Beyblade. Here's the ripcord. Okay, after unboxing the Phoenix, I'm gonna unbox both of these dead Phoenix. Let's see. Oh yeah, by the way, Tucker told me, and the other one's Tucker told me. This one's Korean, and the other one is Japanese. Here's a sticker. Here is the Beyblade Phoenix. Guys, so I unboxed two Beyblades. Let me do a review quick. So this is friction from Revive Phoenix, and then 10 disc from Revive Phoenix, and this is Revive Phoenix. It's pretty nice. Let's look at the teeth. Teeth is okay. Looks okay to me. You guys can see it. But anyway, this is Revive Phoenix. And then the next one is friction, atomic. This is from the new Dread Phoenix. Dead Phoenix, Dread Phoenix. There's Atomic, comes with Atomic, comes with Zero, and it comes with Dead Phoenix. Look at that. And then these two together becomes Perfect Phoenix. Perfect Phoenix. But anyway, we're gonna test battle these. So this is how they look when they're all together. And here's the clicks. Forgot to tell you guys. Let me see. Revive Phoenix. Not bad. Then Dead Phoenix. I'm gonna battle these. So I'm gonna be using the Phoenix, Revive Phoenix launcher. It feels pretty good, like strong. Ready? I'm gonna put Dead Phoenix first because he has atomic. So we're doing Perfect Phoenix now. I don't know what you call this, but Dead Phoenix. The armor's always doing this. Whatever. Get on. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. This is Revive Phoenix and Dead Phoenix. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what I should do or unbox. Some of my package are still not here, but I think I'm gonna unbox like GT base next. So I do like GT base and Hasbro's unboxing because I haven't unboxed it yet. But I want to start from the beginning, not like from the beginning, but you know, beginning, but with like mix up, like Hasbro here, you know, and then GT Bay here, and then Turbo here, and then, you know, GT Bay here, kind of like that. But anyway, leave a comment what battles you want to see, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and till the next one, peace.